Boeing announced on July 16th that it had supplied NASA with the second core stage of the Space Launch System, SLS rocket. The core stage, which is being built at NASA's Michoud assembly facility, is intended to launch the Artemis II crew into lunar orbit for the first mission in 50 years. The Pegasus barge will transport the Boeing-built rocket stage, the largest component of the Artemis II mission, 900 miles to NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Upon its arrival, it will be integrated with the other Artemis II components, such as the upper stage, solid rocket boosters, and NASA's Orion spacecraft, within the vehicle assembly building. Artemis II is scheduled to launch in 2025, and this integration is an essential component of its preparation. Dave Dutcher, Vice President and Program Manager for Boeing's SLS program, said Boeing-built products successfully landed humans on the moon in 1969. He further stated that Boeing is building the world's most advanced rocket and establishing a pathway to deep space by collaborating with NASA, industry partners, and suppliers at the Rocket Factory in New Orleans. The dispatch of Core Stage 2 is a significant milestone in developing the SLS rocket. This core stage, which is over 200 feet tall and propelled by 4 RS-25 engines and 2 solid-fueled booster rockets, will generate the 8.8 million pounds of thrust required to launch Artemis II and future missions into space. SLS is the sole U.S. rocket that is capable of transporting a crew and substantial payload to the moon and beyond in a single launch. Its capabilities will enable the delivery of human-rated spacecraft, habitats, and science missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Now, do you think Boeing quality should be trusted for manned space launches? Let us know in the comments. We bring you some good information on aerospace. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.